Barbed wire is the most hateful stuff on the farm. I'm on a mission to remove every single inch of this from around my property. I hate this stuff. Found them. It's a good fencing knot. That's a good fencing knot. But you can see here how high this diagonal is on this end post. And you can see it's acted as a lever and pulled it out of the ground. Right there. Just caused this to fail, lose tension down in the whole fence. Second thing is, I've got a wooden post there. Where's our next wooden post? All the way at the end.